Hello guys. So over the night, this burner developed fault. Yeah, while I was using this part of the burner, I I observed that this part there was spark coming from this part. So I quickly offed it. So today I'm going to be opening this. So we'll troubleshoot this fault together. At the same time, I will be able to show you the different parts of this burner so you can easily know the parts in case of when you have similar problem and you want to fix it. All right, so we're going to be snappy. First thing we are going to do is let's this is already off, which is for this bigger, and most of you must this might be the first time you have seen this. I'm using water heater switch to power up this burner. Yeah, that is because this burner is um the watt is high, so obviously this cannot kind of socket and plug cannot support it, but it's fine for this smaller one. These smaller ones, the watt is not as much as this, so there's no problem using this plug for this part. But for this part, I recommend you use this kind of switch for it. Okay, so currently I've disconnected power supply to this part, so there won't be any power coming to this. So let's start fixing this right away. So you can see that this is burnt. Yeah, so you can see that this is burnt. Wow. Where the second wire is two burnt on the next side. So this is the second wire. So this is the second wire. You can see how terrible it was burnt. So let's clean up the mess inside here. This is a different screw. This Allen key. So let me go get an Allen key. So what should be the size? Probably this. I guess. Bit closer. So this one has no faults. You can see everything is still intact. It has no faults. So working on this, let me try to pull this cable. So this is where I got burnt. So what we're going to do is basically simple. It's very simple. So this is the live wire. So I'm just going to clean up this, remove it. You can see it's too burnt. So we're going to replace this. That's just what I'm going to do. Replace this and then bring this wire back to this point. Okay. So I'm going to use this wire. It's a bit fair. So what I'm going to do is, the main reason why this is bad is because it's not well fitted. So we're supposed to get this clip, this particular clip for it, but since it's not available, we'll make use of what we have, or we'll make use of it properly. So to be able to use this properly, you need to tie it, and tie it really firm, because if it's not firm, there will be partial contact, and once there is partial contact, this will be sparking. When there is spark coming up, generating unnecessary heat, and it will in turn burn this wire. That's what burns the previous ones. You can see as here is black. So if you turn it, you use your plier to grip it so it will become very firm. Then let's turn it again. Let's turn it to this side. Then we'll grip it once more. So cut this. We'll cut it. You can see it is firm. No vibration coming from. There's no partial contact between this wire and this connector. So the next thing is you want to join this to this. So you also do it in a way that there won't be any partial contact as well. So you tight it as much as you can. Okay. So this is it. Just tie it. Use a plier to make it firm the more. So turn it back, tighten it back. So the next thing I want to do is to connect these two. This wire. So the next thing we'll do is to tie this up so that it doesn't get any partial or any breach. Okay. So that is one. Second tipping will be above this. A little bit, don't make it firm. So we're done. Okay, so definitely it's gonna work because that is the only fault that it has. Okay, so right as we are done, let me use this time to explain the parts of this. So this is just one burner and this is another burner. You can see what is here is also here, so they are just the same. So let me use this to teach. So the first thing you want to know is this heating element. This is just would I call it iron wire. This is just a metal that whenever electricity comes to it, this will get hot and you'll be able to get heat to cook. So why this, as you can see it, this is a thermostat. This absorbs heat. So when it gets um, to a certain degree temperature, you can see it will close the circuit between this and this. This is just switching neutral. Okay, it's switching neutral. So you always have power to one of these. Just look inside here, you see that this one is connected to this. This is connected to this. While this is connected to this. While this last one is connected to this. Okay, so there's always power supply to this and this. So when the heat is not enough and it needs more heat, when this temperature is sensing that the temperature is not that high, so it will close circuit between this to this, so you have a power supply to this place, which will increase the heat of um of the burner. So when it's too high, this will sense that this temperature has gotten too high and to open the circuit between this and this and this will off. Okay, so this is just what's inside. There's no switch, just cable coming directly to this heater. So the only control you have is this automatic control for increasing the heat and also the regular switch here for offing and on. So that is just what is there. This is a ceramic. You can see ceramic doesn't burn out. What else? The other one is just the glass cover. This under, which will be on top when we finish, is just the glass cover. So there's nothing much about burner. Okay, so I'll couple it back and then we'll test. So it's time to test our work. Let's see how far it is. So let's see. Wow. So it's completed and it's fine. While we're waiting, let me on the second one. So it's gonna pick in no time. You can see it's coming up. So it's fully up. So it's fine. Just put it off. So if you watched the video to this point, I'm glad you learned one or two things. Kindly do us a favor, like the video. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and also ring the notification bell so that you will not miss anything that's coming up. Okay? Peace.